Good morning, student. Today, our chemistry topic is thermodynamics of +1. Reversible process. Reversible process. The process which is carried out infinitesimally slowly, such that every direct change can be exactly reversed and system always remain in a state of equilibrium is called a reversible process. Now, the term internal energy. Now, the question is, what is internal energy? बेटे थोड़ा ध्यान ना समझना है। आ बेटे मेरे कोल कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड का मालिक्यूल है। कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड कंटेन 2 एटम ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। In carbon dioxide there is a bond energy which binds the atom within the molecule. Carbon and oxygen also contain nucleus and energy which bind the nucleons. Nucleons mean proton, neutron. Within the nucleus is called nuclear energy. And electrons are revolving around the nucleus. Energy possessed by the electron is known as electronic energy. Carbon-oxygen bond is not a rigid bond, they can vibrate. Carbon dioxide also possesses vibratory energy. Carbon dioxide molecule as a whole can move, and carbon dioxide molecule also possess translatory energy. Sum total of all type of energy, electronic energy, nuclear energy, bond energy, translatory energy, vibratory energy is known as internal energy. We cannot find actual value of internal energy. No one can find actual value of internal energy. We can find only change in internal energy. When a system change from one state to another. Now, the definition of internal energy possessed by the molecule, the energy stored in the system under given set of condition is called internal energy. It is denoted by U. It is the sum total of different kind of energy, and it is not possible to find the value of all kind of energy. Hence, we cannot find absolute value of internal energy. We can find change in internal energy which is denoted by delta H. Delta H equal to, delta U. Delta U equal to internal energy of the product minus internal energy of the reactant. If internal energy of the product is greater than internal energy of the reactant, delta U mean change in internal energy is positive, reaction will be endothermic. If change in internal energy positive, delta U positive, reaction will be endothermic. If internal energy of the product is less than internal energy of the reactant, delta U is negative, reaction will be exothermic. रिएक्शन बेटे की होएगा एक्सोथर्मिक होएगा। मतलब एंडोथर्मिक उदों है जो प्रोडक्ट की एनर्जी ज़्यादा है और एक्सोथर्मिक ही है जो प्रोडक्ट की एनर्जी घट है। नाउ द क्वेश्चन इज मोड ऑफ ट्रांसफर ऑफ एनर्जी बिटवीन सिस्टम एंड सराउंडिंग। सिस्टम ते सराउंडिंग च बेटे एनर्जी किवें ट्रांसफर कर सकते? There are number of modes, but our syllabus is limited only on the transfer of heat and work. लिखो heat as a mode of transfer of energy. Heat as a mode of transfer of energy between system and surrounding. For example, exothermic reactions occur in the container. If reaction is exothermic, heat liberate, temperature of the system increase. To keep the temperature constant, heat flow from system to surrounding. Energy of the system decrease and that of surrounding increase. Heat change is taken as negative. जी बच्चों हीट चेंज है उन्होंने आप की लवांगे नेगेटिव लवांगे इफ रिएक्शन इज एक्सोथर्मिक। इफ रिएक्शन इज एंडोथर्मिक, हीट इज कंज्यूम, एनर्जी ऑफ द सिस्टम। If reaction is exothermic, heat is consumed, temperature of the system decrease. To keep the temperature constant, heat flow from surroundings to system. Energy of the system increase and heat change is taken as positive. Now sign convention. Heat given out by the system is taken as negative and heat absorbed by the system is taken as positive. And next mode is a work. नेक्स्ट मोड की है बेटे वर्क है। नेक्स्ट मोड of transfer of energy between system and surrounding is work. If volume of the system increase, then work is done by the system on the surrounding. Energy of the system decrease and work done by the system is taken as negative. If volume of the system decrease, then work is done by the surrounding on the system. Work done on the system is taken as positive. Now the expression for work done. Let us consider a exothermic reaction with increase in volume occur in the container fitted with weightless and frictionless piston. Let A area of cross section of piston P pressure on the piston. If volume increase, piston move upward and dx distance covered by the piston, then work equal to force into distance. Negative sign indicate work done by the system, and force equal to pressure into area. Area into distance is change in volume. Total work done when volume of the system increase from V1 to V2. V1 to V2 इंटेग्रेशन करता बेटे, तब वर्क इक्वल टू माइनस V2 माइनस V1 एंड वर्क इक्वल आ गया माइनस P डेल्टा V. नैक्सट आर्टिकल बेटे नैक्सट वीडियो च करांगे जिहड़ा है वर्क डन बाय द एक्सपेंशन ऑफ आइडियल गैस. इनू सिस्टमैटिकली नोट्स तैयार करी जाने और तुहाडे कोल पूरा लैसन जिहड़ा आ जाना है.